An ancient village called Huangling stands on the mountain. September is the harvest season here. Without access to flat land, the villagers dry their grain on their windowsills and in other parts of their homes. This is referred to locally as autumn drying. But drying is not confined to autumn. Huangling receives plenty of rainfall, so drying pans are used for a variety of products all year round. Anything can be dried using this method, and the results are visually very attractive. For example, rice and black beans are formed into panda designs. Red peppers are used in self-portraits. Together with dried radish shreds, they can also be made into fish.